Okay, here we are for Intek Briggs & Stratton vtwin carburetor inspection. Well, I'm just checking the float because the damn thing overflowed gas into the crankcase and it's toast, it won't run. So I cleaned it up a bit. This is part 4 or 5 now. I got the thing off. Cleaned it up with an air pressure gun. One thing I forgot to do, I should have stuffed some towels down in these holes so I didn't force some crap down in there. That's not good. But anyway, I already went ahead and took these off, these two hold downs. I used a kind of a power screwdriver. It's got the nice black tip and rubber handle. It's because I really had a crank on these. Like they were factory. Well, there's a lock washer. Might have been some Loctiter on there. But I really cranked on them to get them off. And I've already been through this and looked in there. So once these are off, then the whole housing lifts off. I want to be sure to get it right back the same way. Like that. And there it is. This is the whole culprit, that needle valve under here. That's the only thing that would be causing gas to go into the crankcase. Or there is another possibility. There's a walk over there. And this is just all secondhand information I've got off watching YouTube videos myself, so I didn't really figure this out, but here it is. See, that's called the gas pump, I guess. And it runs off vacuum from the engine, apparently. And they say if there's a tube that comes off for vacuum, and if the diaphragm is broken, it can backfeed the gas through that tube. But this one, I do not see a tube anywhere. Oh. Okay, look down here. There it is. Get this crap out. There it is. It just shoots straight down. That's your vacuum tube right there. Can you see that? That dirty old hose. Looks like that would only flood out one cylinder. Oh my God. Look at the gas in there. See it? That's hard to get the camera on there. Yeah, that's all gas sitting in there. Holy cow. What in the... What is that one? Oh, for interesting. This one does not have any. This does not have any gas in it. It's only this one over here that has the diaphragm attached. God, maybe that is what's wrong. I'm gonna have to take this off now. Looks like there's just 2 bolts that hold it on. Take the gas. Yeah, let's clean that up with the air and take these off. I'm gonna go, because it's only that one that's filled. That seems to be, that's what they talk about. The gas comes up through this thing, degrades some diaphragm thing, and the gas pours right out of here into there. Holy cow, because there's none in the other side. Come to think of it, how could gas get from the carburetor all the way into there and stay there? Yeah, this ain't from the This ain't from this valve. What we'll do is you just pull this pin out. I've watched another video. I don't want to lose that thing. God. This just lifts off. There it is. And there's the... Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. There's the little needle valve. They said it was rubber coat tipped, and it is. It fits right down in there. Yeah, but this, I've stumbled into something new with that gas diaphragm pump thing. This probably has nothing wrong. And where does that hang now? Was there a little spring? God, I think it just... I don't think there was a spring. I'll have to piece this back together. Looks like that just fits up in here. I'll have to see if I can get that back. And then I'll check just to make sure it's closing. That's what we'll be doing now.